Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. In this short video, I'm showing you my privacy tent and how fantastic and convenient it really is. I purchased the Wolfwise toilet tent, and it is about 6 feet tall. It's completely collapsible and folds up flat. If you purchase one, definitely keep the instructions because you'll need those to fold the tent back up. But it is very just convenient to use for showering, for changing, for toilet usage is really what I use it for. But it could be used for a slew of situations. So it's about 6 feet tall. It has a really nice kind of mesh screen on the top here for ventilation, as well as a nice large fold-up door. As you can see, I have it secured right now. Also inside the tent is a little pocket for your items and another little window for ventilation. And as you can see at the top, it's all screen. Inside my privacy tent, I have my blue collapsible toilet, which nothing's in it right now, and I have a little towel that sits over the top of it just for protection. I also have my 5-gallon bucket, as you see here. It has the big black trash bag in it so I can put all my waste. But I also have this additional toilet lid, which I don't use, but in case I need to use it, I have it. But my waste bin has this screw on top, so everything stays securely in there. And then I just have my toilet paper, my toilet bags, my waste bags, baby wipes, as well as antiseptic wipes for my hands. And then I also have a little light, I don't know, just battery powered light that I use for the tent as well. The tent is really easy to put up and secure. I recommend using like a mallet or a hammer, or even if you need to use a rock to secure your metal stakes, but it does come with a set of little metal stakes as such. I just put this rock here so I don't trip over it. And then the tent secures at these corners as well. So I have the bright neon rope that the tent comes with to secure it, as well as just the 4 corners. So we had some wind. This tent has lasted me in 25 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts. I actually have some really funny pictures on Instagram of how the tent in Quartzsite at Skadden Wash the wind took down my tent and folded it for me. It was amazing. Pictures on Instagram. So I really like this tent because it's inexpensive. You can use it for a variety of different things. It's easy to put up, take down, secure in the ground, and everything about it is just really fantastic. And like I said, if you're using it just for, toilet and stuff, you can even store some extra items in there if you have to. But I think I say it's absolutely worth the money and the small investment. I will put the link to purchase this tent in the description. And don't forget to support us on Patreon. And Winston and I will see you on our next adventure.